Hey guys, so I'm going to do another product review here. I needed to get another box for tool storage for the time being, and I just needed something relatively small, not too large, and something pretty cheap just to get by for the time being while I'm working on some renovations here in the garage. And I ended up getting a deal on this Craftsman 1000 series top box, and got it at Lowe's for like $109, something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get that open, show you guys what that looks like, and see if it'll hold up what we need. Sorry guys, it's hard to do one-handed. Got keys on top. Set those aside. Now again, this is the 1000 series, so it's not as heavy duty as, the 2000 or 3000 series they had out a while back. But again, for what I want it for, just sitting here in the garage holds a few basic things for the time being. It should be just fine for what I want it for. It's not going in an industrial shop doing diesel or anything like that. Alright, so I got it out of the box, and again, for what it is, for $100, or a little over $100, it's not a bad job at all. It's got like a stiff latch kind of in the back, stop it from sliding open too easy. Get a little snug, pull open. Do wish they come out just a little further, but again, for $100, what do you expect? I do like the fact it has a latching lock on it, so if the lid is down, the drawers won't open. So that's kind of cool. And this is actually why I got it. This is all I'm working out of right now. And so I'm going to take both those boxes off the top of there. That's an old Kennedy, very solid box I inherited from my father. I'm going to put that black Craftsman 1000 box on top here and get things a little better organized. Things just been really chaotic here since the house burnt down. So let's go ahead and get some of this stuff out of the way and get things straightened out. Alright, so I got the top box on there. I don't think it looks too shabby. And we're going to go ahead and start getting some tools transferred over. And this is just a little bit lower than sticking my arm straight out. So it's got some nice height to it. This is a nice, great area to reach into. Give me a few extra drawers there. I could even put the small red box on top if I need to and keep a few extra tools in there as well. I do plan on cleaning all this out and putting a bigger box in there, but for the time being, make do with what I can. But so far, not too bad. Again, it's not as solid as the 2000 series. You can hear it sounds kind of flimsy, but it's actually, for what it is, it's pretty solid, especially for the size being, it's not a big box, so it doesn't need to be super rigid. It's 26 inches left to right. I believe they said it was about 20 and a half inches height. So, not too bad. I just wanted to point this out. This gave me a little laugh. Now realize that this is top chest here that goes on top of a rolling cabinet. You follow me? Now, if you remember fresh out of the box, open the lid, and that's the decal on there. The decal for this top box is actually for a rolling cabinet and not the top box. Everything advertising here is literally for the rolling cabinet that is made to go underneath of this. So, whoopsie from Craftsman. No big deal. I just thought it was kind of funny. Thought I'd share. So there we go. I went ahead and put the red box on top. I did have to put a wood block underneath it to raise it up enough. because just setting it completely down inside, the drawer, the bottom drawer here was too low and wouldn't be able to open because the toolbox was sitting down too deep inside of there. See how deep that is? So again, I went ahead and put some wood blocks underneath. See if you can see that. There it is. Put some wood blocks underneath the toolbox to elevate it so that I can get that drawer open. Now I'm just going to go ahead and organize everything, and that should give me pretty good for a while until I can get a bigger box. So stay tuned.